it's Sean Mosh from SeanMosh.com. You know, I love to share a Cricut tip and trick with you. So let's say you were putting this design on a shirt. Did you know that if you wanted to kind of test out some different colors for the background, you can click down here on the blank canvas button and then go to color and change it. If you wanted to get rid of those grid lines, I like to go under my settings and then say canvas, no grid. So this is how you could play around and say, oh, do I want to put this on a yellow shirt? Or how would it look on a gray shirt? And kind of play around with your colors. Another little tip, this layers panel over here, if you hover, you can stretch it out to make it bigger, and then you can see more of the information, or you can stretch it down. You cannot make it totally disappear, but you can at least resize it to give yourself more space if you'd like. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.